Hi, hello. We have another word family. App, 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 app. App, map, map, map. App, zap, zap. App, wrap, wrap. App, cap, cap. App, nap, nap, nap. App, gap, gap, gap. App, lap, lap, lap. App, yap, yap, yap. App, tap, tap, tap. And here we have app at the beginning, but we need another P. App, app, app. Short for application on your phone, and app, app, app. Two consonants, sna, sna, sna. App, snap, snap, snap. R, tr, tr, tr. App, trap, trap, trap. Sl, 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 sl. Slap, slap, slap. R, r, wrap, wrap, wrap. It's the same sound as app, wrap, 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 wrap. It's the same. Different spelling. L, cl, cl, cl. App, clap, clap, clap. Okay, one more time, quickly. Map, zap, wrap, cap, nap, gap, lap, yap, tap, app, snap, trap, slap, wrap, and clap. Okay, let's clap. You did it. Great job. Let's do some more.